5 ways to make $3,000 in a month without showing your face. Hey, Millionaire Mindset family. What's good? If you're here, you're probably looking to level up your income and make some extra cash, right? I totally get that hunger for more. Financial freedom to chase those dreams that feel just out of reach. And let me tell you something straight from the heart. It's 100% possible to make $3,000 in a month. I've been in your shoes and picked up some game-changing lessons that I'm excited to share with you today. So let's get into it. Grab a pen and paper to take some notes. Selling digital products as an affiliate. The first way, and one that really blew my mind with its potential to scale, is selling digital products as an affiliate. You know those online courses, ebooks, or software programs. Tons of people are creating awesome content, and you can sign up as an affiliate to earn a commission for every sale you refer. I started by promoting a digital marketing course that I bought and loved. The key is to pick something you genuinely believe in, and that solves a real problem for your audience. Use your social media, create valuable content, and let word of mouth marketing do its thing. Commissions of 30%, 40%, or even 60% are pretty common. It's a huge market with low startup costs, which is perfect for beginners. Offering digital services, freelancing. The second tip, and this is one I live by, is offering digital services as a freelancer. What are you good at? Writing, video, editing, creating social media posts, managing ads, graphic design? There's a whole world of businesses and people looking for those skills. I started by offering blog writing services. You can dive into a different niche if that's your thing. At first, landing clients might feel tough, but platforms like Upwork or Fiverr or Workana and 99 Freelas in Brazil can connect you with people who need your skills. Start small, deliver top-notch work, and ask for testimonials. Over time, you'll build a reputation and can charge more. With just 2 or 3 well-paid projects a month, you can hit that $3,000 mark stress-free. E-commerce with national local products, dropshipping, or small inventory. The third way totally opened my eyes to the power of the internet. E-commerce, especially. Focusing on national or local products. A lot of people think of dropshipping from China, but the logistics and shipping times can be a nightmare. I've seen way better results by focusing on products from local or national suppliers, or even keeping a small inventory of handmade or custom items. You can set up a simple online store using platforms like Shopify or Nuvemshop, or even start selling through Instagram and WhatsApp. Think about something people in your city or region really want, but can't easily find. I've seen folks make bank selling unique pet products or orthopedic shoes. This way, you have way more control over quality and delivery. Private lessons. Or online consulting. The fourth tip is for anyone with expertise in a specific area. Offering private lessons or online consulting. Are you great at math, English, playing the guitar, or drawing? Or maybe you're a wizard at personal finance. Or home organization? People will pay to learn or get guidance. I started by helping friends build or troubleshoot their computers and realized there was real demand for it. You can use video platforms to teach and charge by the hour or for consulting packages. It's a way to turn your knowledge into cash without needing a big investment, just your time and expertise. And the feeling of helping someone grow? It's unbeatable. Buying and selling used items. The fifth way is a bit more hands-on, but can bring in some serious cash. Buying and selling used items. The classic treasure hunt. You know those things people get rid of that are still in great shape, but just need a little TLC or better marketing. Think phones, electronics, furniture, designer clothes, or rare books. I started by checking out thrift stores, flea markets, and local for-sale groups. Sometimes you find something for dirt cheap, spruce it up, and sell it for way more. You need a sharp eye and some patience to find the best deals, but the profit margins can be incredible. So that's it, folks. 5 ways I've either tried myself or seen work like a charm to make $3,000 in a month. There's no magic trick, but with focus, consistency, and a solid plan, you can make it happen. The first step is just to start, even if it's small. Try one of these ideas, learn as you go, and don't give up. Your financial freedom is closer than you think. I believe in you because these methods have been tested and proven. If you liked these tips, drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building content, and let me know in the comments which idea you're going to try first. Big hug, and see you next time.